Hello students, welcome back to BioDecode, where biology is decoded into simple steps. Today, we will going to learn about the differences between hormones and enzymes. So, without any further delay, let's get started. In biology, hormones and enzymes are both important biomolecules that control body functions. However, they are differ significantly in their roles, origin, mechanism of action. Let's understand the major difference between the hormones and enzymes. Firstly, we will going to learn about their definition. So, the hormones are the chemical messengers that are produced by the endocrine glands and they regulate the physiological functions of the body. For example, if we talk about the physiological activities like growth, metabolism, and reproduction. On the other hand, if we talk about the enzymes are the biological catalyst that increase the rate of biochemical reactions that are happening in our body. If we talk about the second difference, it is about the source from where they are secreted. So, hormones are secreted by the endocrine glands. We have already talked about it. For example, it is pituitary, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, etc. etc. But if we talk about the enzymes are produced by almost every living cell in the body. And these enzymes are present in the tissues, organs, and as well as in digestive secretions. Okay, let's move on to the next difference, that is mode of transport. The hormones are released into the bloodstream and travel to the target organ, but the enzyme usually remain within the site of reaction inside the cell. Let's move on to the next difference, that is function. The primary role of the hormone is to regulate the biological processes such as growth, metabolism, and reproduction. And for example, if we talk about insulin, which is an hormone, can regulate the blood glucose level. And the enzyme mainly speed up any biochemical process, any metabolic reaction such as digestion or the cellular metabolism. If we talk about the specificity of the hormone can act only on the target cell, which means it will have the specific receptor that are present on the specific organ or the specific cell. But the enzymes have the substrate specificity, means each enzyme act on the particular substrate. Enzymes are highly substrate specific. Let's talk about the next difference, that is chemical nature of the hormone. Hormone can be protein, peptide, steroid, amino acid derivatives. But the enzymes are mostly protein molecules. For example, it can be RNA molecule known as ribozyme. Lastly, talk about the examples of the hormone. For example, insulin, thyroxine, and estrogen. And the enzymes example include amylase, lipase, and catalase. That's all for the today's lecture. I hope you like the video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, goodbye. Namaste.